has a lot of murals and mosaics done in this particular style. But anyway, we talked a lot about the Nazis. I'm kind of sick of that. I don't know about you. I think we should talk about the situation post World War II. And for this, I have some maps.
It's not loading. Watch this, watch how fast he goes, watch. Watch how long it takes, watch. Watch this, watch.
Preston, he's out. Preston, he's out.